This next book is about a crocodile. Crocodiles love to chomp, chomp, chomp. No red light and a great big stop. Hello. Hi, my name is Miss B, and today we're going to work on words to use when we're mad. Mad. When I'm mad, I get my pillow. Hi, pillow. This pillow is so soft and pink. Let's go get a pillow. Are you ready? First, I'm gonna give my pillow a hug. Ready? Hug. That's so nice. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Hug. Uh-oh. But now I'm mad. If I'm mad, I'm going to go boom, boom. Let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Good job. That was so much fun. I'm excited! No chomping, baby Dino. Should we get the book? I think we should. Let's get the book. It's about a little dino named Danny Dino. And sometimes he gets too excited and he forgets to use his nice words, and instead he gives a little chomp. Oh no, not a chomp. Oh no, Danny Dino, we shouldn't do that. No chomping, baby Dino. Once upon a time, in a house near a swamp, lived little Danny Dino, who had the very best chomp. I wonder what will happen. He would chomp on his snacks the whole weekend, but what he loved most of all was hide and seek with his friends. When it was his turn to hide, he'd turn and run with a stomp. But when he got too excited, he gave Susie a chomp. Ouch! Oh no, Danny Dino. I don't like your chomp chomps. Danny can't play with us until his chomping stops. Uh-oh. I wonder how that makes Danny feel. His friends said they can't play with him because he chomped Susie. That would make me feel sad. Should we see what happens next? Oh no. Danny Dino was so sad and went home feeling blue. Then he found Daddy Dino and asked, "What do I do?" Sometimes when we're excited, we must think ahead. Instead of a chomp, we use play words instead. A play word lets us know we're ready to play. And we'll shout, "Let's go, I'm excited," or "Yay!" That Daddy Dino looks awfully familiar. I think it's just Danny Dino playing dress up. What do you think? So Danny practiced his words for the rest of the week, until at last it was time to play hide and go seek. Wow, he wrote all of the words down. Good job, Danny Dino. That's good practicing. Let's turn the page. Oh no, Danny Dino, your chomps made me cry. We don't want you to play. No, we won't even try. Oh no, Susie, that's not very nice. I wonder what will happen. Let's turn the page. But his friends spoke to Susie in her firm, grumpy stance, and they decided to give Danny one final chance. Oh, I hope Danny can do it. He has to use his play words and not chomp anybody. I hope he doesn't get too excited. Let's turn the page. Susie counted past 4 and Danny ran with a stomp. But as he ran, he forgot and he wanted to chomp. 1, 2, 3, 4. But he took a deep breath and said play words in his head. Instead of a chomp, he said, "I'm excited!" instead. Yay! Good job, Danny. You did it. They all had a good laugh. What a silly way to play. But Danny didn't mind. He liked it better this way. I'm excited. So, Danny learned his words in the very best way. And now he plays hide and seek with his friends every day. Let's see the last page. The end. Yay! Good job, Danny. Danny got too excited when he was playing hide and go seek. And when he hid, peekaboo! He was so excited, he gave Susie a chomp. Oh no. Susie got so sad and said, "You can't play with us." But Danny learned his play words. And instead of a chomp, he said, "I'm excited!" instead. That way, everyone could play with Danny. Good job! We read our first book. No chomping, baby Dino. We'll say bye-bye to Danny Dino for now, and we'll see what's next. Oh, this next book is about a crocodile. Crocodiles love to chomp too. I wonder if this crocodile needs to learn some new words. This book is about a little croc named Timothy. He also has some trouble, just like Danny, playing with his friends. Let's see what happens. In a patch of Australia, near a mangrove swamp, lived Timothy Croc, who loved to chomp, chomp, chomp. Can I see your chomping hands? chomp. Chomp. No chomping, Timothy. Chomp. Oh, that's silly. Let's turn the page and see what happens next. He would chomp through his apple and chomp through his s'mores, and he'd chomp until there were no snacks anymore. Timothy is chomping all of his snacks. Now, Timothy didn't like being told what to do, and when he heard "clean your room," he chomped Daddy Croc too. Oh no, that's not very nice, Timothy. Let's see what happens. Let's turn the page. Ouch, Daddy said. Timmy, that really hurt. When you don't like something, use your no words. Oh, Timothy's going to learn no words. I wonder what they are. Let's find out. A no word is a word you can say when you don't like something coming your way. Instead of a bite, give it a swap and say no, red light, and a great big stop. I wonder if Timothy is going to learn to use his no words. No, red light, and a great big stop. But Timmy laughed and thought, I don't need to use words. I can chomp all day long and will always be heard. At the park, he played with his best friend, Clive. His friend said, let's play pirates. But Timmy wanted to slide. Uh-oh. Timmy doesn't like playing pirates. I wonder what will happen. Timmy felt angry and gave a loud stomp. Then he went up to Clive and gave him a chomp. Oh no, Timmy, that's not very nice. You shouldn't chomp your friends. That's not nice. Oh no. Let's see what happens. Clive started to cry and said, that's not nice, my friend. I won't play with you until your chomps end. He's crying. He did not like getting a chomp. In kindergarten, they painted and read books that rhymed. But when Timmy wanted to play, Mrs. Spider said, nap time. Uh-oh. I wonder what will happen next. Do you think Timmy's going to chomp Mrs. Spider? I hope not. Let's see. Timmy felt angry and gave a big stomp. He wanted to give Mrs. Spider a chomp. But while giving a chomp would make Timmy feel glad, Mrs. Spider, he thought, would be so very sad. Oh no. She'll be sad if he gives her a chomp. So he closed his eyes and gave it a thought, then said, no, red light and a great big stop. Good job, Timmy. You used your words. Yes, you said them out loud. And for that, Timmy Croc, we are so very proud. From that day on, Timmy only would chomp on the snacks he would eat. not his friends in the swamp. Yay! Good job! We did it! We read all of the books. Today we learned our play words. A play word is a word that you can use when you're ready to play or you're excited. We say, let's go, I'm excited, and yay! Then we met with Timmy and we learned our no-no words. No-no words are things like, do you remember? A no-no word. No, red light, and stop. Good job! When we don't like something, instead of using our fists or using our teeth, chomp, chomp, we can say, no, red light, and stop. Yay! Good job, everyone. My name is Miss B, and we'll see you next time for more speech time. Bye-bye, everyone.